Hi, my name is Marat, and I work as an application engineer at DXP in Allentown. And even though most of my day looks like this, I do enjoy working at DXP. This is the place which let me thrive as a professional in challenging yet rewarding environment. I get to visit customer sites with our creative salespeople, work closely with my supervisor who is incredibly knowledgeable, and help out in the shipping and shop floor where I am taught and supported by the most welcoming technicians. Everything makes you feel welcome and interconnected, all guided by our understanding and empowering manager. And if Allentown's scale might be relatively small, one could always transfer to Cincinnati or Houston, DXP's gigantic supercenters. Once I was asked what DXP stands for, and quoting one of the mentors I met here, I said, technical, fast, and easy to do business with. Welcome to DXP.